So fell on black days.
Any way to distinguish it? I mean, I understand you object to the premise of that.
I hope you can find one.
Well, what you want us to do is overrule the Supreme Court.
I want you to find a way to help me distinguish this, Judge. I am very disturbed.
Well, you can be disturbed in your own time. Why are you intruding on mine?
Well, because
I can't reverse the Supreme Court.
Because I want you to be disturbed too.
Well, if I am disturbed, it's for arguments that have nothing to do with reality.
I understand. And
represented that all conditions precedent had been met.
Correct.
And that wasn't true, was it?
No, it was true. And I can't, I haven't seen the letter, but
Do you have the acceleration letter?
Are you really suggesting that you don't know?
No, I'm suggesting that we have, when our client...
Listen to me. You're not telling us that you don't know whether the acceleration letter was sent or not. I hope you're not saying that.
No, I'm saying that when we get a referral, it shows us on the information that we receive from the client that when the demand letter expires.
You know it was not sent, don't you?
I've never in my 15 years had a case where a demand letter was not sent.
Do you know, Judge Black has asked you, was it sent in this case or not? Yes or no? That's a very simple question.
No, I understand that, but I have not seen it because it wasn't raised as an issue in the case.
So you're saying because it wasn't raised, you don't know the answer to that question?
I would
That's
have
your
to say
answer?
that I would rely on our business records, on the referral that stated.
I'm sorry, sir, you didn't show your opponent
This is
your demonstrative aid?
excuse me?
You didn't show your opponent your demonstrative aid before this oral argument?
This is actually on page 4 of the brief. All I did was just color in some lines to make the property lines a little bit
fairly
easier.
straightforward yes or no question. Did you show this man before this oral argument?
I did not show this particular board to this man before this.
Form, all right? Do you need a minute or two to look at this thing?
No, I thought my appendices had gotten over, and I apologize. I did not know.
Do court orders mean anything?
Yes, very much so. So sorry.
You know what happens, what can happen if somebody doesn't follow a court order and other courts?
Most certainly, Your Honor. And I apologize. It was a secretarial mistake, and I apologize.
You're trying to blame it on your I'm counsel.
No, Your Honor.
You're the one who took the bar exam, right?
I am, Your Honor. I'll take full responsibility.
You were secretary that didn't get something done.
No, I will take full responsibility. It was my fault. I did not follow this.
How long have you been a member of the bar?
Less than 2 years, Your Honor.
Less than 2 years.
Yeah.
Okay. Counsel, you may not be off to a very good start.